Aries, so this is your next 15 days reading starting from 15th of January till 31st of January. Okay, so let me see how will be your career within this period. Career, Aries. Aries, see, I'm seeing you that you may think about learning something new. You want to take somebody's help, जो आपके सीनियर हो या तो आपके करंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में or somebody experienced. Okay, overall career wise I'm seeing you working in a very planned way. Everything is okay now, and let me see how will be your love life, Aries, 15 to 31st. 15 to 31st Aries love life would be great because I'm seeing you going with the flow. कोई है लाइफ में, ठीक है, नहीं है तो भी ठीक है. You are just, ये जो 2025 है, you would have planned a lot of things for you and you just want to go with the flow. कोई टेंशन नहीं लेनी है ना. Let me seek one common guidance for you. What you should do within this period? What guidance you should follow, Aries? See, पास्ट के किसी भी मैटर को ज़्यादा डिगिंग करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. पास्ट अगर रीसर्फेस भी हो, इफ़ यू फील लाइक दिस इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट टू यू देन इट्स फाइन. इफ़ यू फील लाइक नो इट्स नॉट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू यू, कट इट ऑफ. This is your guidance, Aries, 15 to 31st. Taurus, so this is your reading from 1st to 15 to 31st of January, and let me see how will be your career during this period, Taurus. You don't want to repeat your old mistakes that you have already done, Taurus. This is the thing that you are contemplating. जो गलतियाँ हो गई हैं उसको रिपीट नहीं करना अब आगे. This may be your New Year resolution also. Let me see how will be your relationship 15 to 31st, Taurus. Relationship wise, you are missing somebody. मुझे थोड़ी सी nostalgic energies दिख रही है. You are missing somebody, and let me clarify what is that. Actually, the person whom you're missing may not be connecting to you. ऐसे recently may be connect नहीं किया हो आपको, and the person जिसको आप मिस कर रहे हैं, the person is very grounded in nature, and maybe he or she is focusing on herself, her family situations and on whatever is there. No need to worry because यहाँ कुछ भी मुझे negativity नज़र नहीं आ रही. Let me seek one guidance for you. Self-love. This is your guidance for 15 to 31st. Taurus, take care. Geminis, this is your reading from 15 to 31st of January. Let me see how will be your career during this period. Career-wise, you may be weighing two options. Maybe you are having more than one option. एक ऑप्शन उसमें से ऐसा हो सकता है, it can be from the past. कुछ पहले आपको कोई ऑफर मिला हो, मे बी आपने उसको रिजेक्ट किया हो पास में, एंड वापस से वो रीसर्फेस हो रहा हो, या प्रीवियस कंपनी जहाँ पे आप काम कर रहे हो वहाँ पे या तो आपको वहाँ से ऑफर आ भी सकता है आगे भी, ठीक है. एंड अदरवाइज दोज हु आर नॉट वर्किंग, दे आर ऑल्सो कॉन्टेम्पलेटिंग व्हाट कैन बी डन, क्योंकि दिस इज अबाउट सम ऑप्शंस. ओके, मे बी जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो कन्फ्यूज्ड हो लाइक विच वे टू गो. This is it, and let me see how will be your love life, Geminis. Geminis, you're keeping a lot of patience in your relationships, and that's great, good. Okay, within this period, within these 15 days, कोई rush नहीं, nothing, lot of patience, you know. Patience for what? Let me see. Okay, you are taking a stand for yourself. You are protecting your peace actually. Let me seek one guidance. Self-love, my God, Taurus also got the same. Self-love mode. Be into self-love mode. Geminis. Cancerians, this is your reading from 15th to 31st of January. Let me see how will be your career, Cancerians. Career-wise, you are feeling very content with whatever you have at present. Okay. If you are not working, then also you are not rushing anything. Very cool, calm and composed. Career-wise, let me see how will be your relationship within this period, Cancerians. You are ending something. It can be painful. Okay, you are releasing something. It can be toxicity, it can be overthinking, it can be anything to restart fresh. You are thinking about it. Cancerians, great. Let me see one guidance for you. Overall guidance. See, if I'm seeing this past resurfacing multiple times in people's life, हो सकता है कि कुछ पास्ट है जो resurface होने की कोशिश करे. If you feel like it's good for you, then keep it. If you feel like it's absolutely toxic for you, cut it off. This is your guidance. Cancerians, take care. Leos, so this is your reading from 15th to 31st of January. Let me see how will be your career. Leos, you're very cool, calm and composed. क्या बात है. January is almost similar for everybody. Great start. Okay, you're keeping patience. You know things will. It's the divine timing that's running, and it will definitely be in your favor. Divine timing already. हमेशा it's always in our favor only. Leos, है ना? Let me see. How will be your relationships in general, Leos? See, you're a very carefree kind of person at present. You're feeling like बहुत ज़्यादा burden नहीं लेना. जो लोग आपके, those who are willing to stay in your life, that's great. Those who are not, they can leave. You are into that mode, Leo. It's good for your mental health. Okay. Let me seek one guidance for you, Leos. Guidance for Leos. See, try to forget people who have hurt you in the past, okay, and move on with your life. And you are absolutely into that mode only, you know. You're keeping patience, calm. This is absolutely good for you. Take care, Leos. Virgos, this is your reading from 15th to 31st of January. Let me see how will be your career during this period. Virgos, you may have more than one option, okay. And in your career, I'm seeing you weighing two options, and this came up for some other zodiac also, I don't remember, but this is it. And it's overall it's good, because I'm seeing you contemplating a lot which way to go, okay. And secondly, how will be, Virgos, how will be your relationships in general? Virgos, relationship wise, you are absolutely fine, you are happy, you are content, everything is okay. I'm seeing it, okay. So overall, I'm seeing you very, very, very peaceful, and a lot of zodiac, I have seen the similar thing. People are keeping a lot of patience, they are calm and composed. That's great, Virgos. Let me seek one guidance for you. Overall guidance, Virgo. See, Virgo, you are trying to wrap up what's no more serving you, and you are trying to fresh start. Maybe आपने ये पहले ही सोचा होगा कि once this 2025 begins, I may not tolerate any nonsense. Okay, this is your guidance also. Libras, so this is your reading from 15 to 31st of January. Let me see how will be your career within this period. Libras, career wise, you are feeling very content, you are protecting your peace, you are very peaceful, you are very much satisfied with whatever you have career wise. Let me see how will be your relationship in general, Libras. Relationship wise, also you're just going with the flow, okay. And secondly, you're contemplating about it can be somebody's offer, or it can be something where somebody told you something. For example, you are already into a relationship, then you are contemplating about something which is being spoken from your partner, and that is bothering you a little bit, although you don't want to. Or if you are in no contact with somebody, then also you are thinking about the person. This is it, nothing more than that I'm seeing within this period. Let me seek one guidance for you, Libras. Your guidance is, see, do not stay away from negative mindset. Do not overthink the situation. Do not run away from whatever you're feeling. Try to express with your partner if you can. Okay. Scorpios, this is your reading from 15 to 31st of January. Let me see how will be your career during this period. Scorpios. Career wise, are you running away from workload? See, it's quite obvious not every time we are willing to put in lot of efforts. Okay, but I can see that you are in no mood to take more than you can tolerate, more than you can do. Okay, that's okay. This is just a reading for 15 days only, and although there is no negativity, you can just plan and do your work. If you're overloaded with work. Okay, let me see what is coming up for you within these 15 days in terms of relationships. Okay, Scorpios, relationship wise, I'm seeing you. Are you developing feelings for somebody? If it's a third party situation, please try to stay away from it, or please find out if it's not a third party situation, then it's fine. Okay, please find out if your partner likes somebody else, something like that, or be careful. Okay, let me seek one guidance for you, Scorpio. Your guidance is look for something long term. Short term, stay away from anything short term in nature. Okay, Sagittarius, this is your reading from 15th of January to 31st of January. Let me see how will be your career during this period, Sagittarius. Okay, career wise, you're very hopeful. You're thinking about something new. Something new means it can be an add-on to whatever you're doing at present. It can be, suppose you're working and you want to go for something as a secondary source of income. You're planning that. Great, good. Sag, let me see how will be your love life or relationship in general within this period. Okay, that is also okay. You're just going with the flow. You're just going with the divine timing. You actually believe in divine timing. You are absolutely into self-love mode. Both the aspects are career wise also, relationship wise also. This period is very, very nice for you, Sag. Let me seek one guidance for you. Again, your universe is telling you that you are having every tool. You just need to use it. You are having intellect, you are having plans, great plans you are having in your mind, just you need to execute it. Okay, take care. Capricorns, this is your reading from 15 to 31st of January. Okay, let me see how will be your career during this period, Capricorns. Career wise, you are very satisfied. Whatever you have desired till date, it feels like things are manifesting for you. It's whatever plans you had, and it's gradually it's coming on ground, and I'm seeing you more focused in your family. It's not like you're not taking care of your career, but I'm seeing you spending time with your family. Okay, and let me see how will be your relationships in general. Okay, Capricorn, relationships in general. Relationship wise, I'm seeing you contemplating something, the in and outs, the pros and cons for whatever decision you have made previously, and you don't want to repeat your previous mistakes again. Okay, you don't want any disaster in your life because of somebody else or third party. This third party kind of thing is coming consistently for Capricorns. Let me seek one guidance. Guidance wise, see, do not remain stuck on any situation. Just take decision, cut off situation, negative people, anything which is not serving you anymore. It can be your thoughts, it can be somebody in particular, it can be any situation. Okay, take care. Aquarius, so this is your reading from 15 to 31st of January. Let me see how will be your career during this period. Aquarius, career wise, you are very hopeful. You are planning for your future. there are high chances that you're already having something in your mind, expansion, growth, and whatever plans you have, you'll have to put a lot of efforts in it, and you are well prepared. Karna hai to karna hai. Okay, now let me see how will be your relationships in general for Aquarius within this period, within this 15 days. Okay, you might be having trust issues on people around you. Okay, you want something grounded. You are no more interested in anything casual. Okay, and that is why you might be trusting the situation, or you're having some trust issues on yourself also. You're not very much confident, like what decisions you would be taking next, something like that. But this is very minor, nothing major, no need to worry. Let me seek one guidance for you, Aquarius. Your guidance is spend time with your family. Okay, whatever you're feeling that there is something which is hidden, there's something which is brewing inside that is suffocating you, let it out. Talk to somebody in your family, you'll feel good. Okay, take care. And finally, Pisces, you waited for so long now. Let me see how will be your career and relationships in general between 15th of January to 31st of January. Okay, let me see how will be your career within this period, Pisces. Career wise, you might be having two options. Okay, and you might be contemplating like which way to go, and both these options are excellent. That is why you are a little confused. Be very mindful before choosing any options. Okay, Pisces, don't worry, everything will be good. Let me see how will be your relationships in general, Pisces, within this period. You are being loved by people around you. Okay, because people are see Pisces in general, they are very nurturing, very loving and caring comparatively to other signs. Okay, but I'm seeing you taking certain actions, making some new decisions. When it comes to your family, you feel like there are some changes needed, very much needed. You wanted to bring some change in your daily routine so that will be beneficial for your family. So, and you're trying to manage those who are working, you're trying to manage your work life, family life well, and overall this period is excellent for you. This is a period of decision making, Pisces. Okay, let me seek one guidance for you, Pisces. Let me seek one guidance. Do not overthink. You might be waiting for some communication from somewhere. Okay, do not overthink, let it be, just let it go, and actually divine timing is there, it's running for you.